Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find ringtone on Zedge's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To find ringtone on Zedge, firstly go ahead and launch open your Zedge application. You will end up on the home page of your Zedge's account. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on ringtones. In order to find list of ringtones that you'd like to download on your Android phone, select the ringtone that you'd like to download. You can download the ringtone by clicking on download icon. You can see that there are a bundle of options that you could work with. You can either set this ringtone as your ringtone, you can set it as notifications, or you can also set it as an alarm sound. You can also set it to a contact's personal ringtone, or you can even save it to your media folder and use it later on by tapping on Save to Media Folder option. This is how you can find ringtone on Zedge's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.